There are 20 million people live in Istanbul. 20 million people have nine types of public transport. Those are 4 types of railways: train, metro, tram, and funicular. 2 types of buses: regular buses and metro buses. Those are buses that have the separate road. They go so fast and they avoid any traffic. Two types of taxis: regular taxi and they call it dolmuş, taxi for 9 people, and ship that take car and people from one side to another side. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Well, 17 liras, this fantastic pomegranate, fresh. This bridge is called Galata Bridge and it connects 2 parts of European side. So this side is still European side. Do you see that bridge? Well, that bridge connects Asian side and European side. And there is Asian side. There are a lot of ships that takes people there and back in like 15 minutes. It's so fast. If you take the car and try to cross that big bridge, then it will take you like 3 hours. That's where Topkapı Palace is. There, Eminönü Mosque. Well, let's continue. The reason why I love Istanbul is that everyone is busy. People going to work, going to studies, tourists need to go to see places they visit. And in that mess, people still find some time to come and pray. And after prayer, everyone continue their activity. That's great. This is Sultanahmet Mosque, the Blue Mosque. And this is Hagia Sophia Mosque. In the movies, they show a lot Sultanahmet Mosque. And a lot of people think that that's Hagia Sophia. Even me myself. For long years, I thought that this is Hagia Sophia. On my first visit even, I was sure that this is Sultanahmet Mosque / Hagia Sophia. And only the next day, a friend of mine took me there, said like, oh, this is Hagia Sophia. And I believe there are millions of people who come here and think that Sultanahmet and Hagia Sophia are the same places. Or maybe I'm the only one stupid. Who knows? The famous Hagia Sophia. This stone behind me is a million stone built by Constantine I. It's a center of the world, and right now I have a complicated feelings to realize it's not me the center of the world, it's this stone. So much sweet. This guy is doing fresh. We used to see beer fest all over the world, so in Istanbul they have Ramazan fest. Traveling with ferry boat is so easy, and just imagine from European side to Asian side you go in like 15 minutes, and it takes like every ferry has capacity of 400 around 500 people. Sometimes it's like every 15 minutes. Just multiple it and divide to 2 just to see approximate number of people that use ferry boat every day. And it's so nice, you see so many things for both sides of Bosphorus. Both sides. You see Dolmabahce, you see Kızkulesi, you see bridges, everything. Topkapı, everything. What the fuck with my hair? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.